Okay, Fishy Ozarks fans, we're waiting on Baja Bob. He's coming over to pick me up and take me out on the boat. But I lost a fish here last night that kind of ticked me off. So, oh, he's hitting right there, hitting right there. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Got him right off the bat. I'm talking right off the bat. I gotta love it. Get off that cable. That fish was breaking water. He didn't even have a chance. Didn't even have a chance. A little beat up, a little dinky, but we're using our time wisely. And that was on the lure from my mystery tackle box, so I like it. Nice little bass. Good hook set. All right. Heading back. See you, little guy. Ozarks fans, we're at it again. We're on Baja Bob's non-Baja bass boat. He's kind enough to take me out. The weather looked terrible. It's still pretty black over there, but it really, when Bob pulls into town, clouds go away, the sun comes out, bass start biting. He turned in 2 fish last weekend. One's 4 pounds, one 5 pound. I'm gonna post a still photo of that. And I'm expecting a damn monster. I mean, a pig, an absolute hog. I want to see the tip of his rod break off and have to dive in and get it. That's my wish. Right here. Oh, there's some brush over there. Nice little tree down there. Oh, we're gonna have a beautiful night. It's gonna clear off completely. Oh, it's me, Bob. Oh, I almost hung that in the tree. That one almost got away from me. Look at that blue heron. He's a majestic beast. Got a little theme music. Bob and I are living on a prayer. If we catch 2 fish, we'll be halfway there.
Double up?
That'd be great. A little entertainment while we're fishing. Memorial Day weekend. All we need is Ben Reechbeater to show up. Kick it into another gear. Bob's got fish number 1. I missed the catch because I was in between clips, but good stuff. You knew he was there. Unfortunately, dead crappie.
Swimming right at the boat, though. That's what was funny. It was swimming right to the boat, so I never realized. I was like, he was playing with it. I'm just not used to that kind of attention where anybody plays with it that long.
Agreed, Bob. we're debating going back in the cove or fishing secondary points. But right now I'm a little overwhelmed by the view. Absolutely beautiful Friday before Memorial Day weekend. Bob's got one fish in the boat. We're gonna get another one. Oh, he spit it! You son of a biscuit eater. A bite's a bite.
And my line is all shredded. That stuff. That big fish, if that would have been a big fish, I wouldn't have had it.
Huh?
If that would have been a big fish,
He'd have broke it off.
oh, absolutely. Go down my mind, wishing, oh, shit.
Oh,
Rob.
a little frayed. That is a reminder to all you youngsters out there to retie. If you straddle a wire or try to pull something out of a tree, your next best, personal best bass will break that off. We got a swimmer. Got him.
There we go.
Got him. He's running at me, Bob.
Oh, that's a good one. There's a nice one, Rob. Oh, yeah.
We got a runner. He's not done yet. Just a bass.
Just so you know, my oldest daughter says catfish look like they're from France with their whiskers.
Oh, I like that.
So when you look at them from here on out, she thinks you go, wee wee bonjour, and you're not going to look at them the same.
Gee, thanks.
I love that.
I was like, seriously, it was catfish.
Around the rocks over there on the other side, Gar was spawning.
Yeah?
It was like 2 weekends ago on Mother's Day weekend, which they were crazy.
Harping each other, just on top of each other.
My 11-year-old snagged one of them.
Oh, that's cool.
The last hook, and I was like, oh, so I'm going to have to take that off. It got away, thank God.
Oh, yeah. You don't want to put your hand in that.
No. And then he came down, he's like snagging them up left and right.
That looks good though.
That's a.
Right there.
He's decent. He's out fished me all day, so it feels better.
Well, next time we get catfish, so wee wee, bonjour.
I'm gonna call him Wee Wee
Yes.
or Pepe Le Pew.
Wanna just use my camera?
We have some success. Oh, that would have been great. That's Bob, my fishing guide, my friend. This is a bass, and he pretty much ate up my Wacky Rig. We met some nice folks up here from Kansas City. I think it was son or grandson caught a catfish. Thought it looked like it was from France, so we're supposed to say wee wee every time we catch a catfish from now on. But this guy's really pretty fish. He's ready to go. See you, bud.
All right.
We did it.
We're gonna go to the other, just on the other side.
All right.
In between these.
The fish is still there. It's both. There's a rope and a cable.
Yeah, and I'm in the rope.
Not anymore. Couldn't be in a better spot. There we go.
He's a good one.
Oh boy.
Net.
Net.
He's
On
a
it.
good one.
On it.
Actually, no, that's all right.
Well, we'll get it just in case. So we're ready.
Oh, shit. Now he's wrapped around it.
Hold on. You tell me what to do.
I-
That's a good fish.
Yeah, I know. But he flipped all the way around and broke it.
Oh man.
That was a 5-6 pounder there.
That's how he got big.
Yep. I think I've asked you this before. You think a fish that gets caught like that goes back down into the water, sitting at the bar with his buddies. Dude, you are not gonna believe this shit.
Yeah.
A fucking alien grabbed me,
I think they
jerked me out of the water. I don't know what the hell that was.
I think they remember it for about 12 hours.
And I don't know what's going on, but
Larry's gone.
and you're not gonna believe it. There was this thing. It was like huge, and it was moving.
I think they do.
I think they did. Yeah, I put that at 4 or 5 pounder.
Easily. I think he might have been bigger than that. I just hope I got it on the GoPro. That's my only job in this whole mess.
Trying to let the ass end float so you can get up behind that float over there.
We'll give it a try. Maybe he's still there. I don't know if I could get him in on this rod.
Oh no, we don't. What the hell do I got? I got a suspicion line. Man, this thing, I'm throwing a crankbait, so it's running on it. Oh my God, I had good.
There he is. I got him, Bob. Yep, I got him. Ugh. Same fish. Maybe.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Ugh, you're not doing it again. You are not getting off again.
Flip them in, flip them in.
In the boat. In the boat, Bob. Oh my God, it's a 2-fish night.
That's a good one.
Come here. There we go. Bob's unfortunately hung up. No, that's not the same fish. Your fish was way bigger. But still a pretty fish. Wacky rig. But he put up a fight. Get this off. Yeah, the water level changed so much that they never knew where to be. You know, and it used to be steady, and now even the crappie season was really rough. But oh yeah. Have a good evening. That's another one. Good looking fish. He's been caught before. A little beat up, but thank you, Bob. It's been a great tour. We're running out of daylight, but we're bassing with Bob. He had a 5-pound pig. Jumped over a cable, and it got away, but to be caught another day. Too much fun. There we go. Lake of the Ozarks. Ain't no golf pond. See you, bud. Love it. Got a runner again. Oh, God bless him. He ran with it right at me. Another majestic night at the Lake of the Ozarks. Got to thank Captain Bob taking me out. We had some success. you know, you don't get all the fish. If you're being honest, you're gonna miss about half of them. But if you get half, you did good. Sunset, Memorial Day weekend, weather blew over. If you haven't been here, you need to get here. Bass fishing mecca, but you gotta work at it. It's not a game. You know, it's not tossing shiners in a pond. It's a bit of a complex system, but there's some big fish here. We're gonna continue to document it. Peace out. Bob's got one. Saw a bunch of bait fish moving and a bunch of fish busting. Real good one. That's legit. Late in the evening. One more, or as Bob's duck is called, one more.
That would be Ben's duck.
Oh, it is Ben's duck. Good fish, Bob.